Think your foreign gift or trust declaration is just an informational form? Think again. The IRS treats Form 3520 as a high priority enforcement tool, and missing the filing or making one simple mistake can trigger penalties starting at $10,000 or even 35% of the total amount. This is not a drill. I'm tax attorney Chad Silver, founder of Silver Tax Group. Many taxpayers assume that because they didn't owe tax on a gift or a transfer, they don't need to report it. That's a recipe for disaster. The IRS uses Form 3520 and 3520A to identify undeclared offshore wealth. If you received a foreign gift over $100,000 or you have a foreign trust, the IRS expects to see it. If they find it before you report it, that's where the life-altering penalties kick in. We worked with a client, let's call him David, who thought his foreign trust was too small to matter. He didn't file 3520 for 3 years. By the time he came to us, the IRS was already building a willfulness case. We were able to implement a strategy that mitigated the penalties, but he could have avoided the entire nightmare by simply filing correctly from day one. Whether you missed these forms or botched your previous reporting, there are specific, legally sound ways to clean it up if you act before the IRS audits you. The longer these forms go uncorrected, the worse the penalties can be, and the more the IRS starts building a willfulness case against you. We build your compliance strategy, we implement it, and we'll defend it if necessary. No guessing, no fear, just strong legal tax firepower on your side. Call 855-900-1040 or visit us at silvertaxgroup.com for a confidential review. Don't wait until the IRS comes knocking at your door. We handle this every day. We build it, we implement it, and we'll defend it if necessary. I'm tax attorney Chad Silver. Click like if you found this valuable and subscribe